La igama lami uGugungema sila namhlanje sila eThekwini Hall Park. Sihlangene siwu-KZN netball with the 42 clubs that are playing the Super League season. We are having the opening games. It's been a long time so we're full of excitement. But what is nice about today is that we have all the 42 clubs being here in one space, and I can see the mood is nice, it's happy. The players are happy to see each other. But as we continue with the league, we'll be playing according to the division. But we are happy to be here today.
Well, siyajabula i-netball nayo futhi yenza kahle. In fact, isport KwaZulu-Natal senza kahle kakhulu kuyona yonke imikhakha. Iqalile ke iligi ye-netball, upresident udadewethu uGugungema kade ilontsha ushilo ukuthi ke siqalile isizini nakhona futhi amantombazane ethu enza kahle kakhulu. Kunemandate eyodwa ke sinikeze wonke ama-athletes akwaZulu-Natal. Uma nje kunethimba eliphumayo leya ngaphandle liyomela iSouth Africa ayibonakali KwaZulu-Natal. Siyajabula ukuthi nakwa-netball kuyenzeka lokho, basimele kahle kakhulu, kodwa ke okwamanje sizidlana imlala ke ekhaya ngesizini eqalile ye-netball league yakwaZulu-Natal. Sibafisela konke okuhle, sinxenxa nabaxhasi bakithi ngoba isport sihle kakhulu, siphakama kakhulu uma ngabe nabebhizinisi bezosondela basixhasa isport. Siyabanxenxa ke nabaxhasi ukuthi abasondele kuyona yonke imikhakha yesport, ingabe khona uhlobo olulodwa lesport oluxhaswayo, ezinye inhlobo zesport ezingaxhaswa. Ngakho siyayibonga kakhulu imizamo ye-netball KZN nemisebenzi emihle abayenzayo. Keep it up, sengathi ke nabo bangaba lesizini le.
Ukuhlangana kwethu namhlanje la siyi-province ama-club, ama-teams awo wonke ama-districts, ngoba masila wonke ama-districts are represented kuma-teams wabo. Ngabe badlala kwaC, ngabe badlala kwaB, ngabe badlala A, kodwa ayikho i-district engekho represented here. So kuyithina as abantu be-netball kusho lukhulu namhlanje ukuthi sizohlanganyela kanje. Usually asijwayele ukuhlangana sonke kuwonke ama-division A, B, C, sonke kanye kube ukuthi kuyahlukahlukana u-A udlala kodwa u-B, but today siyabonga kakhulu ku-KZN netball ukuthi akwazi ukusihlanganisa ukuze sikwazi ukubona nabanye abadlali from other division, because njengathi sibuye sibe kwi-team ye-province enkulu siyakwazi ukuthi sihambe sibuka abadlali, mhlawumbe abadlali abane-potential ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi sikhande i-team, noma ngathi i-team but i-squad from individual teams ukuthi sikwazi ukukhandela mase sikwazi ukufuna i-team ye-province.
Hi everyone, my name is Nomfundo Mngomezulu. I'm playing for Zipho Zonke Netball Club. It's from Richards Bay. I'm playing goal at Goshula. Jabula mina ukuba sekhaya. Bengazi ukuthi uma ngabe ngithatha ikhwama ngibuya ekhaya angeke beze bangilahlela izandla, so home it's always home. Engicabanga ukuthi mostly yama players engiwabona manje abantu abasha abakhulayo, of which I think that's the main purpose yonke i-league le, ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bekhulisa ama players e-netball, kuzophuma abanye ohlokoloza, phuma abanye ocoaches, phuma abanye omaduna. So I think that was the main purpose ye-tournament ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi beyiqale.
So ukuba la namhlanje kusinikeza i-opportunity enkulu kakhulu even for those players abaselectiwe to represent ama-Kingdom Stars and Kingdom Queens kwi-team, ukuthi sikwazi ukubabona ukuthi uku-level yakhona, because at the njengamanje siselelo iviki elilodwa kuphela ukuthi siyodlala u-TNL. So ukubabona behlangene kanje bedlala kuma-individual teams wabo kwenza thina as coaches sibone ukuthi umehluko usungakanani, ngabe ukusebenza kwethu up to this far sekungakanani.
Kuhle kakhulu bese kujabulayo njengo-netball leadership ukuthi siyabona izinga ama-club akhuphule kakhulu, ukudlala siyakubona kukhuphukile. We are starting this season asikho certain ukuthi ubani umuntu ozodlala this year awine, and that to us as a coach ikhombisa i-growth ne-development ukuthi we are starting the season and any club could lift the trophy. So we cannot wait to see as we are going to finish in October, ukuthi at the end of October ubani ozokwazi ukuthi abe umanqoba.
I'm so happy because you can count a few players abasha nabadala ukuthi KZN bayawenza umsebenzi. futhi ama-players akhona uma ngabe kukwazi ukuthi kube khona la Kobonge Msomi besuka ko-Hama Stadium nabo o-Coach Precious Mthembu basuka la eThekwini nathi sikhona from eMkhanyakude bakhona o-Gorgeous bakhona oMaduna naba nombali oDiphoko so ngicabanga ukuthi umsebenzi ukhona futhi umsebenzi mningi futhi uyabonakala yona ndlela le singakwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukuba reward ngayo iflag lase KZN ukuthi silibeke libe phezulu kunokuthi sibuyele emuva kodwa sibheke phambili ngicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu la uyafisa ukuthi efike esigabeni nathi esifike kusona so ukuze bekwazi ukuthi befike lapho ukuthi sibalekelele nathi njengabantu esesifikile kuletha sigaba ukuthi sibanike ulwazi lo lesinalo ngoba ukuligcina kumina ngeke kuze kungisebenzele but the only way ukuthi omunye umuntu ezobona ukuthi okay umsebenzi kaHlokoloza ukuthi afike lapha ya uyakwazi ukusiza amanye ama-players asakhula samancane.
Asikusho ukuthi all along we've been priding ourselves as KZN that we are the only province that plays the Super League, but we are happy to note the influence that there are other provinces that now are playing the Super League, and we have been discussing with the presidents of the other two provinces that have started to play this league. So we are now discussing ukuthi kungakuhle ukuthi makuphela ama-season all the winners in different provinces lawa amathathu including KZN siphinde futhi singene kwi-tournament where the winners of provinces could compete. So that is an impact netball KZN Super League has done as far as improving netball and transforming netball in this country.
So sijabula kakhulu ukuthi ama nominations sithola o-Coach of the Year and bobuka ukuthi lama nominations are against ama players are very experienced, awe cricket, awe boxing, awe coach bo cricket, awe coach nje abanamava impela amakhulu kodwa nathi sesiyayibona sisi level yama Dolphins eKZN as uKZN Kingdom Stars kusho ukuthi for the fact ukuthi abadlali bethu ba selectiwe ba nominated to be among the best nabo kusho ukuthi level yethi siyafana Sharks sikwi level eyodwa because ngeke sibe lapha if sizocompete nabanye abakhona kuma Sharks if ukuthi asikho kwi that level.
So the fact ukuthi for more than iminyaka ewubani ewu5 ewu6 landelana we know that ama sports awards will have more than 3 categories KZN nominated as the finalists. As much as singena ngamaningi but siya-celebrate ukuthi at least siyaphuma noma neyodwa because every time singenile as finalists we do take 1 or 2 home. So siyathemba na this time around ukuthi umsebenzi esiwenzile siyabonga nje ukuthi sirecognize again.
Siyabonga kakhulu nje kwi-Department of Sports, Arts and Culture and uKZN Netball na wonke ama-sponsors asilekelelayo ukuze i-vision iphumelele yokuthi sikwazi ukuthi kudlalwe njengoba kudlalwa nje namhlanje kwakuwumqondo wabantu abathile aba-brilliant behleli ndawonye bakhanda lento ukuthi yenzeke namhlanje.
But it give us a challenge yokuthi siqhubeke njalo senze umsebenzi omuhle ukuze leli zinga esikulona singalidrop kodwa siliqhubele siye phambili.